Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Misbah Ghulam Abbas, and you are watching Mishi Arts, the world of craft. Today, we are going to make this very beautiful, delicate fan earring design. And without wasting any time, let's get started. For this, you will be needing a pair of scissors, hook. Over here I'm using 2 mm hook. You will be needing these earring hoops, or what do we call it, I don't know exactly. And this is a joining ring. You will also be need a pair only yes, a pair of pearl beads and tapestry needle to weave in the ends. And over here I'm using 100% cotton yarn, double strand. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever the new video is uploaded. So make the double strand and start making it. First of all, we are going to make a slip knot, and I'm using 2 mm hook. So like this, we are going to make a slip knot. Once you have made the slip knot, you are now going to make 8 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. After making 8 chains, we are going to slip stitch into the very first chain to make a ring. Now we have a ring over here, and now we are going to chain 3 and make double crochet into the ring. 1. So total we need 12 double crochets. So keep making until you have 12. So this 3 chain will also be count as our first double crochet. So we have already done 2, and now this is the third double crochet. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So now total we have 12 double crochets, and make sure you cut this yarn because we used it, and now this is for no use. Okay, so now what is the next thing what we have to do is we are going to make 4 chains. So this is how it looks like. And now 1 2 3 and 4. After making chain 4, turn your work like this and make double crochet into every stitch you did. So you can see this is the stitch, and we are going to make a double crochet. No, but I'm so sorry, this 3 chain will be count as our first double crochet. So this is the first double crochet, first stitch. So this will be counted as the first double crochet of this first stitch, and then after chain 4 we are going to make double crochet into the next stitch. Now we don't have to skip any stitch, but we have to do chain 1 in after every double crochet. So chain 1 and now double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, If you like my video, please give thumbs up, and if you want, you can also please share with your friends so they can also make these very beautiful, quick, easy earrings for themselves. You can make in any color you want, and they look really very beautiful, delicate, and so nice that we cannot resist. So now this is the last double crochet, and we are done with the double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Now chain 1 and turn your work and do a slip stitch into the very first chain space that we have of our work, and chain 3 now. And now again we are going to make a single crochet into that same chain 1 space. Okay, I hope you understand. What we have to do, we have to do a single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 3, a single crochet into the same chain 1 space, chain is single crochet, 3 chains, single crochet into the same chain space. So these are going to give the points to the, and as you can see into these earrings, these points. Okay, so join me once you have completed the whole row. So I am on my last point, and let me show you that I have done 3 chains, and I am going to do a single crochet over here, and now my work is finished. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a long tail because we have to attach a bead in the center. So see, now what I'm doing is I am going to fasten off this yarn, and now I am going to insert yarn into the needle. So here I have needled my yarn, and carefully back up and down, or whatever manner you like, you have to come to the center of your work, because in the center we have to attach a bead. So once you are in the center of your work in this way, now take the bead, insert it into the hole, and bring it into the center, and attach it like this. This will surely fix and secure it properly. Now there are 2 ways of attaching the this earring into your work. This is the first way to attach with the joining ring, and if you don't have the joining ring, what you can simply do is you simply have to put your this earring like this, and again pass it through, and this will be attached like this, and your earrings are ready. But as I have used the joining ring into my first earring, so I am going to join the second earring also with the joining ring. So as you can see, the earrings are ready, and how beautiful and delicate they look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.